I'm Alex Stone. Welcome to Bodycam, presented by Ride Along Podcast. Our guest today is former police officer Reid Kerr.
Nice to be here with everybody. Looking forward to getting into it. What do we have today?
We got a video. Apparently, it's about a police helicopter. They're tracking something.
All right, let's do it.
Let's go.
Llama's putting up a fight, but I think they got him.
Oh my gosh, are you kidding me?
Fairfax County Police
there's a
Department
suspect.
Dispatched a helicopter and several officers to help wrangle in a lost llama just a few days before
Lost
Christmas.
llama.
Let's watch.
Come here, Mr. Llama. Oh, so close.
So, this is really interesting. This is Virginia. It's in Virginia. So, in Oregon, where I was in law enforcement, Oregon State Police are like Fish and Wildlife. They are the game officers. And so this actually could be the same situation in Virginia. I don't know. I would imagine that usually an animal would require animal control of some sort, but
Yeah. This is another prime example of a group of people who went to work expecting one thing and running into something that's totally different. You just never know.
llamas and alpacas, they can be pretty ferocious.
There's a fence right there, so we can get him backed up to that.
Yeah, they call them the bears of the Midwest.
I thought that was Wolverines.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Oh my gosh, I'm chasing a llama, bro. Are you kidding me? I mean, yeah, they apparently they're using IR to track a llama in a helicopter.
This llama must belong to the governor, because we have
I'm wondering, right?
police helicopter with FLIR and like 4 officers out here wrangling a llama. This has to be the mayor's daughter's llama or something.
I would hate to make an
gosh.
assumption, but if this was a trailer park and someone lost their pit bull, I don't think they'd call it a helicopter. So, I'm just saying. But I think you're onto something there, Reid. What are they doing?
They're all
my
laughing.
gosh.
They're all laughing. That's great.
This is crazy.
Llama's putting up a fight, but I think they got him.
She just said 1 in custody. Oh, that's great. Oh, good times.
Oh, wow.
Does he have an ID?
They're going to transport in a medic unit.
Yeah, this is crazy.
Okay.
Okay, so this is just the halter. Yeah, this is pretty loose. We want to keep this on there now. We'll leave this because it's pretty loose. So okay, I think that and it's a short drive, so.
So are we going to the shelter or are we going to the
Shelter.
They're going to a shelter. An animal shelter, I guess.
I think that's how long he's been out.
This is wow. This is impressive.
Thank you guys.
I-
would have hoped someone would have reported him.
The llama was eventually corralled by police and turned over to the Fairfax County Animal Shelter, who were able to locate its owner.
We had a lot of people helping that knew the llama community, and so we're reaching out. It's kind of an interesting subculture here in Fairfax County, so they were reaching out to their other llama-owning neighbors. Staff were thrilled to be part of that process and making sure that she is home for the holidays.
Customer service at its finest.
That's well said, Reid. Well said. Yeah.
Let me tell you, there's a lot of communities in the world that you need to serve, but the most important is the llama community.
That's right.
And that's no joke. Don't ever get that twisted.
I don't have much to say about this other than I think all the officers acted professionally.
Yeah, they did.
The use of force seemed appropriate
Yeah.
for the task at hand, and the llama got home safe.
Yeah. And in all seriousness, I think this is a really good example of police officers just being human beings.
Well, and you know what else? it's also showing a part of law enforcement that is real that no one understands.
Yeah.
There's so many times I get called for, oh, my pig got out, or oh, this horse got out, and you really have to go get that horse because if it wandered onto a highway,
Yeah, it could kill somebody.
kill somebody.
Absolutely.
And so we actually do stuff like this.
Yeah. But similar to them, they're laughing, we're laughing.
Yeah.
It's a funny situation. It's just funny. You can imagine I would find nothing more hilarious than Alex chasing a llama days before Christmas. That would make my life very happy.
I love it. Yeah.
Good times.
You want to do the extra or out?
This has been the Body Cam. Glad to join you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Reid. Appreciate you.